Somos Ricazo Rythmns, a vintage Chicano Latino Latinx band formerly known as Squeezebox Sabroso. Our sound embodies the spirit of the Mission District. Latin rock, son cubano, cumbia, guajira, bolero. Our music is an embodiment of culture, community, and familia. We're asking you to support us as we embark on a new journey.
Okay, with your support, Ricazo Rythmns would like to dedicate this second album that we're doing to our Ricardo and I's mother, Guadalupe Chavez, who passed away in 2015. She was our monarch, our spiritual advisor. She prayed for us every single day. So we'd like to dedicate this to her. We also like to dedicate this to Paul Griffin, our bass player, radio disc jockey, great bass player, knew the tumbao like you wouldn't believe. Also to Tony Price, who was our rock with the timbale. I played with a couple of other bands with him as well, but he was an icon in the Mission. Futuro Picante, Los Chile Verdes, taught at Mission Cultural Center, was a union rep, helped with the Pacific Islanders. So we would like to dedicate this album to him as well.
Your contributions will directly support the production and promotion of this album, ensuring that our voices are heard and our stories are shared with the world. In gratitude for your generosity, we're offering some incredible rewards, from exclusive merchandise to personal serenades and even private concerts. Join us on this musical journey, and together we'll honor our roots, celebrate our journey, and keep the rhythm of Ricazo alive. Gracias por creer en nosotros.